Welcome back to day 2 of trying to pass the PE survey exam. We're going to be doing 30 questions in 30 days. If you guys missed out on day 1, you missed out on traverse calculations, so be sure to check out that video. But today we're going to be working on question 2, vertical curves. We're asked what the elevation at 7133 station is, and they give us some values at EVC, or at end of vertical curve, the station 75 plus 27. And elevation 157.61, and length of curve is 1800. You're going to be seeing a lot of questions like this on the survey exam. The equation that we're going to want to use is elevation of x. So x is going to be the value or distance from beginning of the curve to 7133 is equal to rx squared over 2 plus grade x plus elevation of BVC. So we don't have PVI. PVI is this point right here as well. PVI, point of vertical intersection, where the two grades intersect. And we don't have R. Let's start off with getting BVC. So to get that, we need PVI first. So we do elevation of EVC equals elevation of PVI plus G2 of L over 2. We know G2 is 0.037, length is 1900 or 1800 over 2 plus PVI. We're just going to put PVI equals elevation of EVC, which is 157.61. To get PVI, obviously you subtract from both sides, equals 124.31. Now that we have PVI, we're able to get BVC. So elevation BVC equals elevation PVI minus G of 1800 over 2. Okay, so we know 124.31, and you're going to add 0.014, which is grade 1, times 900, and you're going to get 136.91. So now we have elevation BVC, and we don't have R. So the R equation is R equals G2 minus G1 over length. So that's going to equal 0.037 plus 0.014, because that's a negative, grade over 1800. And with that, you get 0.037 plus 0.014 divided by 1800 is 0.0000283, repeating. Okay, so now we have R and we have G, but we don't have X. So to get X, we need the distance from BVC to point 7133, or station 7133. So to get the station of BVC, we start at EVC. So EVC minus the full length will give you the station at BVC. So let's put station. So 7527 minus 1800 equals station at BVC, which means BVC equals 7527 minus 1800, which is 57 plus 27, just to put it in station. But we don't really need it in that, I'm just doing that. And then to get the X value, you do the elevation of interest, which is 7133 minus BVC. So that gives you X. So X equals 7133 minus the 5727 value you just calculated, and you get X equals 1406. So now you have X value, you have R, and you have the elevation at BVC. So we're going to just plug that in to get the elevation at 7133. So R, which is 0.0000283 times, I think it's X squared, right? 1406 squared all over 2 plus G, which is negative 0.014 times 1406 plus elevation at BVC, which is right here, 136.91. If you put that into a calculator, you'll get 145.23 feet. And that's how you get the elevation at station 71 plus 33 for vertical curves. If you guys did enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned for day 3. And if you missed it, go back and check out day 1 for traverse calculations. Thanks.